Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data cleaning processes with Amazon Web Services step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your raw data files. Ensure that your data is stored in an accessible location, such as an Amazon S3 bucket. Log into your AWS Management Console. Open the Amazon S3 service. Navigate to the bucket where your raw data is stored. Ensure you have the right permissions to access the data. Identify the data cleaning tools you plan to use, such as AWS Glue or Amazon EMR. Launch AWS Glue from the AWS console. Create a new Glue job, selecting the appropriate data source. Configure the job to read from the specified S3 bucket. Set up data transformations as per your cleaning requirements. Utilize the built-in transforms offered by AWS Glue to handle common issues like duplicates and missing values. Next, run the Glue job to perform the initial data cleaning. Monitor the job run through the AWS Management Console for any errors. Once the job is complete, verify the output data stored in a designated S3 bucket. Use AWS Athena to query the cleaned data. Check for the expected outputs by running SQL queries on the cleaned dataset. Compare the cleaned dataset with the original dataset to ensure all cleaning processes have been applied correctly. Analyze any discrepancies that may arise during the comparison. If issues are found, revisit the Glue job configurations and adjust the transformations as needed. After making necessary adjustments, rerun the Glue job. Repeat the validation process with AWS Athena. Document all cleaning processes and their results for future reference. Finally, ensure that the cleaned data is ready for downstream analysis or storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.